Good morning, everyone, and welcome to ARC's 24th Annual India Forum. How AI is driving the future of industrial operations and supply chain is the recurring theme across all the forum presentations. I now request Mr. Ganapathy Raman, Vice President and GM of ARCadvisory Group India, to make the welcome address. Please come on stage, sir.
Good morning to you all. A very hearty welcome to all of you for the ARCadvisory Group 24th India Forum. As Shraddha mentioned, titled How AI is Driving the Future of Industrial Operations and Supply Chain. We are happy to meet you all again in person, fourth time in a row. As you know, the today forum has a lot of content. I'm not going to go through the details. You will see that in the agenda. And in the ARC forum, we do a lot of networking with the solution providers, solution users. So you have all the people here. So before we do a normal formal inauguration and thank the sponsors. So first of all, I'd like to thank all forum sponsors, global gold sponsor Siemens, global silver sponsors Smar and Copa Data, platinum sponsors OPC Foundation, gold sponsors ABB, Cognite, and Yokogawa. We also welcome and thank our media sponsors, automatedbuildings.com, Chemical Industry Digest, CTS, Electronic Specifier, Engineering Review, Highways Today, IED Communication, Indian Pharma Post, Industrial Automation, FIR, IPF, Technology Record, Chemical Today, and World of Chemicals. We also welcome and thank our industry association sponsors, CSIA, Open Process Automation, and PLC Open. And again, I would like to thank all the speakers from sponsors and their partners. I also would like to welcome and thank all the end users and invited speakers from ARC. We have roughly around 37 speakers, 9 from sponsors, 5 from ARC, 23 from end users. Give a big round of applause for all the speakers. We have more than 60% speakers from end users, so we proud ourselves for our ability to get the end users to be part of this session. Maybe some of the sponsors will be unhappy because end user session is taking place in a different hall, so they may not listen to the sponsors, but I think they should be happy to have such a high level of participation from end users. So please look at the agenda. It has got a lot of good content and very good speakers. So before we start the session, I would like to invite the dignitaries from the sponsors for eco-friendly watering of the plant. First, Siemens Vivek Roy, Head of IT Integration Digital Literacy. Second, Smar Octavio from Nova Smar. Copa Data, Kishore, please, Director of Business Development. OPC Foundation, Stephen Hope. ABB, Mr. Rajesh Ramchandran, Global Chief Digital Automation. Cognite, Ravi Narayan Mishra. And Yokogawa, Satosh Mukade. Thank you all. Please be available here. Generally, after we do the formal, we take a group photo which floats around the media for quite long, very, very long time. So, can the hotel come up with this thing? That's heavy. I thought you would give us something like this. The green. Oh, they wanted